Hello guys, this is Tu. Today I'm going to show you how to use the glider fixed handle. As you may find, the balance on the gimbal on the glider fixed handle is very important. So today I'm going to tell you how to achieve the best balance and how to adjust the gyros on glider fixed handle. So first we put the glider fixed handle down, and as you may find in the video, the battery part of our gimbal is heavier. So you have to use a screwdriver to loosen the screws on the battery mounting tree to move the battery to a super position to get the best balance. So as you can find, now the battery balance is achieved. You can also make the camera part a little bit more heavier than the battery part to get the better performance. Okay, let me just turn the frame 90 degrees to try the balance on the roll axis. And by doing this, you have to disconnect the battery first and loosening and remove the servo arm on both tilt and the roll servos. And then I'm going to tell you how to get the best balance of the camera on the camera tree. You can see our battery tree is adjustable, so you can adjust the camera position on the camera tree. As you can find in the video, the camera is not vertical to the ground or to the frame. So you can adjust the camera position on the camera tree to get the best center of gravity on the camera, on the whole gimbal, And the battery position on the whole gimbal is also very important, because it will affect the balance. As you can find in the video, our battery is not well placed. That means it's an unbalanced place. So you have to adjust the battery position on the battery mounting tape very carefully and to get the best balance of the whole gimbal. As a function of the DJI NASA, you can also use one channel of the radio to adjust the tilt of the camera. And the roll axis is controlled by NASA. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to set up the gyros. As you can see, we use digital gyros on our screen. So you must set the gyro to digital servo mode. And also you have to notice, don't use a reverse setting on the gyro, or you will have a crazy moving gimbal in action. The gyros we use has two sets of wires, one 3-pin wire and one 4-pin wire. The 3-pin wire is connected with servos to control the gimbal movement, and the 4-pin wire has 3 pin and 1 pin inside, and the 3 pin is going to the NASA for the gimbal control, and the 1 pin part is going to the 1 channel on the radio to control the whole gain of the gyro. I must mention the gain of the gyro is very important for the stability of the whole gimbal, and we use a wire cable to connect both wires of the gain control on the gyro to 1 channel of our radio. So we assign a small channel to control the gain of the 2 gyros to get the better stability. And I'm going to show you an example of low gain setting on the gimbal. So you can find the gimbal is swaying in action. And so the useful gain on the gyro is very important. Now finally, I'm going to tell you how this system works. The radio transfers the control signal to the radio receiver, and then the radio receiver transfers the signal to DJI NASA, and DJI NASA controls the flying of the whole quadcopter and also the gimbal. And so you have to adjust the gimbal gain in NASA to make the gimbal angle stable or any change while you are moving the whole frame. So that's very important, and it is a delicate job. You have to set the value very carefully, one by one, to make the gimbal angle really unchanged during the frame movement. Okay, so this is a brief introduction of how to use the Glider 6 engine. And you can find more information on product pages on foxtechactivity.com. And I hope you guys have a nice life and have a nice day. Bye.